Hey guys, do you want to know what the big secret is? Well, I do too, okay? My wife got involved with Seacret, the Dead Sea minerals type of lotions and creams and things that will help your body. It's been known that for thousands of years that the Dead Sea has certain minerals in there that will help your skin, help with everything from nutrients that your body needs, that your skin needs, clears things up. And I haven't even got into it. There's a lot of things I don't know, but I wanted to show you an unboxing on how my wife went all in with this Seacret product, okay? So let me show you what she got, okay? We're gonna go over that. I mean, I don't even know what this stuff is, okay? But they have so many different types of products. This is a mud conditioner, mineral rich revitalizing. That's fantastic, okay? I'm just going to go over the products first, and then I will talk to you about what they do later, because I don't know what they all do. Okay, this is a hair serum. All I know is that they have Dead Sea minerals in them, okay? I'm grabbing her box, and because I do product demonstrations, I wanted to show you. This is Dead Sea salt, and garlic. I'm interested to see how that's going to do, how that's going to taste on my steak. This one is Dead Sea salt and pepper. Okay, that's good. So I got some edibles in there that I can enjoy, and I know that these products, help men and women. They're not biased. The mineral rich refining toner. Okay, if you guys put that on there, this is something she bought a couple weeks ago. This is cleansing milk. All right, what's this? Okay, this is mineral rich peeling gel. Never heard of that. Haven't put it on my face. Let's see what else. Then you've got this is foot cream. Okay, now if you got like coarse skin, people go to the Dead Sea and they pick this up so that it will help their heels and their arches. So that's really good, that foot cream. Let's see, I don't know what this is. Hold on a second. This says Refresh, okay, vitamin rich moisturizer, okay. So that's Refresh. Let me back these products up so that you can see everything that's available. That she went all in on this. Yeah, so anyway, so she went all in, and she's got all these different products and things that came with the Seacret. Okay, so this is Deep Forest Bath Soap. You put the bath crystals in your tub, and if you got one of those hot tub, regular tubs, they're really nice, okay? So what we have here, we have face cream on that. Let's see, this is mud hair mask. Okay, I don't even know what a mud hair mask is. All I know, it's got Dead Sea minerals in it because that's what they specialize in. All right, what else do we have here? This is Ocean Mist Body Butter. Okay, now I did read up on this that the body butter, what that will do is wear away all your wrinkles and things like that. It will clear up all your wrinkles, tighten up your skin. So, we did some research and we found out, that these things are really good. Now, another thing that has been happening to other people like her friends was that the other name brands, Maybelline, Unique, Elite, whatever they are, I don't even know what they are. But they seem to have faded and their skin has adjusted to those creams. And then when they tried Seacret, it was a lot better, and they could feel the results right away. Okay, so we just looked at, let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13. And, oh, look, we got some nutrition products that she was in, too. Let me show you those. Okay, so let's see what she's got here. We got the 7.2 protein shake. Okay, so these guys are into nutrition, too. And they got the rights to all this ingredients. It's all quality. This is a multivitamin and mineral herbal supplement, okay? So I guess you put that in your protein shake as well. I'm not sure. Again, use as discretion. If you decide to get these Seacret products, do your due diligence, check them out for yourself, and listen to the testimonials because they are real. Okay, these are green and verts. Okay, this is a drink mix, 7.2. Okay, oh, this is an alkaline product as well. Now, there's a buddy of mine who has a alkaline water treatment filter system. Okay, and that's $3,000 for that system. Okay, some of these products are able to help you get rid of the acidity in your body. Okay, these are green caps. These are alkalizing green caps. This is curb. This is appetite control. Okay, what else we got? Recovery. This is to help you balance out your alkaline in your system. And lastly, she's got the Alkaline Booster. Okay, so the Alkaline Booster will help eliminate all the acidity and those type of negative things that you want to detox out of your body, but you can do it taking these supplements here. So I've heard a lot of great things about Seacret, and I'm about to delve into an opportunity of what some say is a lifetime. So anyway, if this has helped you, look for it for yourself. It's all the rage on the West Coast, but it hasn't hit the East Coast. Okay, so if you want to get involved with a groundbreaking opportunity, then take a look at Seacret. You click on the link below and to find out more. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.